Morning students. In last lecture we discussed some numerical problem based on Newton's second law of motion. Today we solve some NCERT problem based on Newton's second law of motion. Now let's start. Question number 1. A truck starts from rest and rolls down a hill with a constant acceleration. It travels a distance of 400 meters in 20 seconds. Find its acceleration. Find the force acting on it if its mass is 7 metric tons and 1 metric ton is equal to 1000 kg. डियर स्टूडेंट, जैसे मैंने आपको प्रीवियस लेक्चर में बताया था, किसी भी क्वेश्चन को सबसे पहले हमें केयरफुली रीड करना है और वहां पर फाइंड आउट करना है कि क्या वैल्यूज वहां पर गिवन है। तो हम स्टार्ट करते हैं क्वेश्चन में। इट टक स्टार्ट फ्रॉम द रेस्ट, दैट इज इनिशियल वेलोसिटी ऑफ द ट्रक इज 0 because truck start from the rest and roll down with a constant acceleration. It travel a distance, then distance travel is 400 meter in time t is equal to 20 seconds and its mass is given 7 metric ton or 1 metric ton is equal to mass m is equal to 7 metric ton is equal to 7 into 1000 kg is equal to 7000 kg। क्लियर? तो ये वैल्यू गिवन है क्वेश्चन में। अब हमें फाइंड आउट करना है। क्या फाइंड आउट करना है हमारे पास? फाइंड इट्स एक्सीलरेशन एंड फाइंड इट फोर्स। तो यहाँ पर हमें दो चीज फाइंड आउट करनी है। नंबर 1 एक्सीलरेशन एंड नंबर 2 फोर्स। नाउ फॉर्मूला यूज। डिस्टेंस के लिए हमारे पास बहुत सारे फार्मूले, जिनमें हमारे पास बेस्ट फार्मूला है यहाँ पर F इज इक्वल टू ut प्लस हाफ at स्क्वायर। नाउ सब्स्टिट्यूट द वैल्यू। 400 is equal to value of u is 0 multiply by time, that is 20, plus half a and square of time, that is whole square of 20. Then we have 400 is equal to 1 by 2 into a into multiply by 400, and when we solve, so then we get the value of a is equal to 2 meter per second square. Then acceleration हमारे पास कितना आ गया? 2 meter per second square. Now I find out the value of f, and we know that the formula of f is equal to ma, then m is equal to 7000 multiply by 2. Finally we get f is equal to 14,000 Newton. That is the answer of question number 1. Now question number 2. A 8,000 kg engine pulls a train of 5 wagons, each of 2,000 kg, along a horizontal track. If the engine exerts a force of 40,000 Newton and the truck offers a friction force of 5,000 Newton, then calculate. Now first of all, we write down given that mass of engine is equal to 8,000 kg. Mass of one wagon is equal to 2,000. Mass of 5 wagon is equal to 5 into 2,000 is equal to 10,000 kg. The total mass of body is equal to 8,000 plus 10,000 is equal to 18,000 kg. Engine exerts a force of 5,000 newtons. So then force F is equal to 40,000 and offer a friction force, and friction force, this is always opposite to the force, that is 5,000 Newton, and total force on body now. फाइंड आउट, यहाँ बेटा हमें 3 चीजें फाइंड आउट करनी है. नंबर 1, the net accelerating force, the acceleration of the train, and the force wagon on the wagon 2. तो नेट फोर्स हमें फाइंड आउट करना है. नेट फोर्स, एक्सीलरेशन, and force of wagon 1 on wagon 2. So now first part, we have to calculate the total force. Now total force is equal to force minus friction force, which is 40,000 minus 5,000 Newton, which is equal to 35,000 Newton. That is total force 35,000, total mass 18,000. Calculate, we get 1.9 meter per second square. Now third part, we have to calculate the force on wagon 1 to the wagon 2. Now student, wagon 1 की साथ में 4 वैगन अटैच हैं, तो टोटल कितना मास अटैच है उसके साथ में? तो टोटल मास इज इक्वल टू 4 इंटू mass of one wagon that is 4 into 2000 8000. Now force is equal to mass into acceleration that is mass 8000 kg, acceleration 1.9. When we solve, so then we get 15,200 kg, sorry, Newton. That is the force applied by the wagon 1 on the wagon 2. This is the answer of our question number 2. Now start question number 3. An object of mass 100 kg, that is given that m is equal to 100 kg, is accelerating uniform from a velocity 5 meter per second to the 8 meter per second in 6 seconds. यहाँ दो वेलोसिटी दी गई हैं, तो पहली वेलोसिटी हमारे पास हो जाएगी इनिशियल वेलोसिटी, that is u is equal to 5 meter per second. Final velocity v is equal to 8 meter per second. Time t is equal to 6 seconds. We have to find out calculate the initial and final momentum. तो हमें फाइंड आउट करना है इनिशियल मोमेंटम, फाइनल मोमेंटम and force. Now calculate initial momentum is equal to mu, and m is given by 100 and u is given by 500. So then we get 500 kilogram meter per second. Final momentum is equal to mv, that is 100 multiplied by 8, and we get 800 kg meter per second. That is the answer of our first part and second part, initial momentum and second momentum. Now we have to calculate the value of force, and the force can be calculated is equal to change in momentum upon time. Now change in momentum is equal to final momentum minus initial momentum upon time, that is 800 minus 500 divided by time, which is 6 seconds. Then we get 300 divided by 6, and finally we get 50 Newton. That is the force applied by the body. That's it, स्टूडेंट। कुछ क्वेश्चंस आपको हम प्रैक्टिस के लिए दे रहे हैं जिनको आपको सॉल्व करना है। आपको अगर कोई प्रॉब्लम है तो यू कैन कॉल अस between 1 PM to the 4 PM. Thank you very much.